Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. Hello, it's Mr. Jack, okay? And we're in my kitchen. I'll tell you what, today it's not looking very exciting. And I think I'm feeling a bit thirsty. What should I do? How about making some coffee? Here's a coffee maker. It's got coffee in, yeah. Okay. Right, that solved that problem, but now I'm feeling a bit hungry. That's it, let's make a sandwich. Got my bread, got a plate, looks like I'm ready. And that is what we are talking about today. We're talking about how to make a suggestion on an action, something that we can do there and then. When you and your friends are thinking about what to do on a special day, we use these two different forms, but they are different. So let's look at the first one. How about making some coffee? Okay, what's the first thing you notice about the two words? Well, the first thing is we put this first, how about, and then we use the verb. How do we make the verb? We use the verb make, but we, wait for it, remove the E and add ing. So that makes it in which form? The present continuous. Okay, so that's that form. And we can do that with any verb. You can choose a verb. So how about this? You choose 3 actions. 1, 2, 3. And you write those 3 actions. However, make sure that you phrase it as a question. So it has to have a question mark at the end for it to work. And you have to make the verb present continuous. Okay? The second form that we're looking at today is let's. Let's look over here. Let's make a sandwich. First things first, it starts with let's at the beginning. The apostrophe is needed. So you need to write it like that. But you put it in the same place as how about, at the beginning of the sentence. But what's the difference is here. You don't have to change the verb. You just write it as a normal thing. Using the normal form, without to, without ing, without ed, without anything. Just use the verb on its own. And you can also use an exclamation mark, but not a question. Because this one isn't a question. This one, unlike the other one, is suggesting without asking the other person. So, for example, you would say, how about making some coffee, when you're not sure if the other person would say yes to it. So how about going to the cinema? They could say yes, they could say no. You are not sure. But this one is asking the same thing, where you're making a decision for a suggestion, but you're more sure that the person's going to say yes. So you would use how about with the verb and ing, for example, with something like, how about not doing our homework? And the teacher will say, let's do our homework. So the same here. 1, 2,